These are 5 best postures for women. Ustrasana. Stand onto your knees about hip width apart, and inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bring the right hand on the right foot, and inhale, left arm towards the sky. Breathe. Camel pose. Opens chest, improves posture, balances hormones. 2, 1. Come back gently. Change the side. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, left hand on the left foot. Inhale, right arm towards the sky. Hold and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Bhujangasana. Lay on your belly. Hands under your shoulders, forehead down. And inhale, push with your hands. Lift your head up, shoulders up. Relax your shoulders and tuck your elbows by the side. Look forward and breathe. Bhujangasana strengthens the spine, boosts energy, reduces period pain. And 1. Bow pose. Bend your knees, forehead down. Hold your ankles. And inhale, lift your head up, legs up, stand on your belly. Hold and breathe. Dhanurasana, bow pose. It stimulates ovaries, opens up hips, supports thyroid and hormone. And 1. Come down. Butterfly, Baddha Konasana. Join the sole of the feet together. Lift your chest upward, lengthen your spine, and shake your knees. Butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana, improves reproductive health and relieves menstrual discomfort. Child pose, Balasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Open your knees. Bring the hands on the ground. Inhale. As you exhale, stretch all the way out. Forehead on the ground. Balasana, child pose, relieves stress, menstrual cramps, and fatigue.